Hello guys, Miss Kika here. We are on vacation, we are at home, and we need to have fun. So today, I'm here to make some cooking with you. And we're gonna make choc chip cookies. Can you say that? Choc chip cookies again. Choc chip cookies. Can you go faster? Choc chip cookies. Choc chip cookies. That's right, good job. So first, I'm gonna show you all the ingredients we're gonna need. Brown sugar, white sugar, salt, chocolate, flour, egg, and baking soda. I forgot that name, but I remember it now. And of course, butter. Before we make cooking, we of course need to wash our hands with soap and water. Okay, wash it properly, thoroughly, like we already know that. So to start, we're gonna mix 1 cup and a third of brown sugar, 1 cup and a third of white sugar, and 1 cup of butter. The butter needs to be a little bit soft, but not melted, just like that. Okay, so now we're gonna start mixing it together. You have to mix it thoroughly because it's gonna become a very creamy dough. Now, after you get this mixture a little bit creamy like this, you're gonna start adding the egg. Now, breaking the egg is one of the most fun time when you're cooking. So you're gonna get 1 egg and get a spoon, and you're gonna hit the egg gently enough, but hard enough to break it. Now you check if the egg is nice and healthy. I think it is. And then you add to the mixture. And now you're gonna stir to mix it nicely. Ooh, it's so nice. Makes your hands strong and your arms too, which is really good for you too. Can make some exercise as well when you're cooking. Now we are gonna add the other egg. So we use 2 eggs for this recipe. Again, gently, but hard enough to get the egg broken. Healthy egg, so you're gonna add 1 more egg and mix it again. And when you're mixing, make sure that you bring the mixture all together to the middle like that. And you can take turns, you know, mommy can mix a little bit, daddy can mix a little bit, and you can mix a little bit, or your brother or your sister, anybody that's with you at the moment. So anybody can join in and have lots of fun cooking. Choc chip cookies, so yummy. Okay, now we have this mixture. After you get to this mixture, we're gonna add flour, baking soda, and salt. First, here, you're gonna have to add the baking soda and the salt together to make one mixture of it. Okay, it's all right, you don't need to mix a lot. And then we're gonna start adding it together. In this mixture here, I have 3 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And all you have to do is add 1, 2, 3 spoons of this mixture into this other cream mixture. And you go slowly getting them all together. Okay. You don't need to take a long time mixing it. As you go, you can keep adding the flour. 1, 2, 3. Here we go again. Be careful, okay? Because if you mix too hard, will be flour everywhere. I know you're gonna clean up the kitchen after you finish with everybody's help, but try to not make a lot of mess. Okay, let's go 3 more. 1, 2, 3. By the way, have you been exercising at home? Because we love cookies and we love all this yummy food, but you also need to keep yourself healthy and fit. Very important for you to exercise too. All right, and 1, 2, 3. I think we have 1 more to go and that's it. So keep going. If you get tired, stretch up a little bit and then you can keep going. And now we're gonna finish it. Putting the last little bit of flour in it. And let's go to mix it again. So guys, when you get to this point, you see the dough doesn't come off the spoon, then it's ready. All right, so now we're gonna get a baking tray to put the cookies. So guys, I left the dough to rest for about 10 minutes and now we can start making the cookies and putting them on the baking tray. You have chocolate here, about 2 bags of chocolates, and all you have to do is get a scoop of the dough like this and with another spoon put on a tray like that. It doesn't need to be perfect as a ball, okay? So don't worry. And now you're gonna add the chocolate. You can put 2 and you squeeze them in a little bit like that. I like putting 3 like this. And then you keep going. You give a little bit of space because when it hits, it spreads a little bit the dough. Okay, let's add the chocolate. Ooh, my mouth is watering. Yummy, yummy. Let me push this one a little bit here because it's too close. Okay, now let's add the chocolate. You can choose the colors you like to put together. If you like blue or yellow or green, make one the colors you like. I'm gonna make a special one. I'm gonna put the colors of the school I love, Madre de Deus, of course. So 2 oranges and 1 blue. Okay, on my tray, I could fit 9 cookies, as you can see. If you have a bigger tray, you can fit more, but remember, always leave the space between the cookies, all right? Now I'm gonna put in the oven that has been preheated, and you need to ask an adult to do that because we can't play with fire, okay? So you ask an adult to put the oven on, and when it's preheated, you're gonna put this tray inside and mark on the clock 10 minutes, all right? And soon we're gonna have the cookie ready. Yummy, 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 yummy. Our cookies are ready, and I think they must be so delicious. We're gonna be home these days, so nothing better than to enjoy a cookie like this made with you and your family with the best ingredient that you must have when you're cooking, which is the love. So have fun and enjoy your cookie. I'll see you next time. Bye.